Create your virtual business card. Hello friends. In this video, I am gonna show you how you can create a professional digital business card. Yes, you heard it right, now you don't need to choose a design, add your business information, and go to a shop to print those cards. You can create a business card on your mobile or laptop and share it with your friends or business partners online. You can share your card via QR code, email, text, WhatsApp, copy link, social media, Apple Watch, AirDrop, and NFC tag. The best part is that the receiver doesn't need to download any app to receive your business card. So let's see how you can create your own digital business card. On your browser, search for HiHello. On the top, you will find the website. Click on the link. I will leave the URL in the description box. You can also download their app from the Play Store and App Store. In order to create a card, you can click on Create a Card. From here you can choose their plans based on your requirement. Here I am using the basic plans. After sign up, you can see this window. Here are 2 sample cards to choose, and you can create a new one. I am selecting a business card. You can see 3 sections here. One is the card preview. Second one is the card sharing options, and third one is analytics, which is available in the paid version. To add information to your card, click on the edit icon. The edit window will open, and you can start editing your card by writing your first name, last name, prefix, suffix, and you can see many more options here. Below you can see affiliation to add your company details, title and department. Let me add some sample data here. Okay, so we have added our data. Let's add some style and color. Click on this display tab and you can change style and add your photo. I am uploading a sample image here. You can also change the card color. Once it is done, now you can add your contact details. In the right section, you can all the important fields like website, link, Instagram, Facebook. Some social links, then some communications links, payment, videos, music, design, gaming, and many more fields. For now, I am just using Instagram and YouTube. Let me just fill it. And then we have the last tab, card name. This is only used to name the card. This file will not appear on your card. Click on this save button. Once it is saved, you can now be ready to share your card. You can use this QR code, and you can copy the link from here. And you have social media options here. You can also directly send your card from this screen to any email or phone number. On the top, you can find some tools like settings, duplicate, transfer, email signature, backgrounds, download QR code, and delete card options. This website will also allow you to create email signatures. You can explore it yourself. I hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe to get more such videos.